In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a page in Elementor, a task that can greatly enhance your efficiency when building or managing websites. Duplicating a page can save you significant time, especially when you have to create multiple pages that share a similar structure and layout. So, let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. This is the place where you can manage all aspects of your WordPress site, including the Elementor plugin. Once you're logged in, look for the Pages option in the left-hand menu. Give it a click, and you'll be able to see a list of all the pages you have on your site. Now, the idea here is to create a duplicate of a page you've already designed. So, go ahead and identify the page you want to duplicate from the list. Hover over the page's name, and you'll see several links appear. Click on the Edit with Elementor button. This will take you into the Elementor editor, which allows you to modify your page with ease using its drag and drop interface. Once you're within the Elementor editor, move your attention towards the bottom left of the screen where you'll find a little green button with an icon of a folder. Click on this button to open the templates library. In the dialog that appears, scroll through the tabs at the top and locate the My Templates tab. This is where you'll save your page so you can easily reuse it later. Now, you want to save your existing page as a template. To do this, look for the up arrow icon next to the Publish button, typically located at the bottom of the side panel of the Elementor interface. Clicking it should present you with the option to save as template. Go ahead and click that option. After doing this, a pop-up will appear asking you to name your template. Choose a clear and memorable name so you can easily find it later and then click Save. Next, return to your WordPress dashboard. It's time to create a new page. Navigate once more to Pages in the left-hand menu and then click Add New. You'll see a blank page editing screen. Here, title your new page. Remember, you can always change this later. Now, click the Edit with Elementor button to enter the Elementor editor for this new page. In this new page editor, we're going to import the template you saved earlier. Click on that green folder icon again to open the Templates library. This time, head straight to the My Templates tab, find your saved template, and click the Insert button. This action will pull your entire saved page layout into the new page. Be sure to review the imported content and make any necessary adjustments to fit the context of your new page. And remember, with Elementor, you can tweak anything you want, providing the ultimate flexibility to ensure your pages are just right. And there you go! You've successfully duplicated a page in Elementor. This process is not only efficient but also allows you to maintain consistency across your site. With practice, you'll be able to streamline your workflow and focus on what really matters: creating engaging and visually pleasing web pages. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.